when you visited China,
Yes.
you've met with the locals as well. Did you notice that they are as hardworking as the Chinese and the Filipinos here in our country, or
Very fun.
medyo ano na?
Very fascinating. They are more hardworking than the Chinese in the Philippines.
Even more.
Much more. We are very laid back. Chinese in the Philippines, my theory, we are not only laid back, we are very easygoing. I'll tell you one more thing. We are always not on time. I'm amazed. I've been invited to events in China, whether government or business or corporate. Amazed ako. Pag sinabi nila dinner 6 p.m. start, everybody will come and sit down at 6. Talagang nakalagay sa invitation 6. They will all start at 6. By 7:30, they're already, thank you very much, the dinner is finished. I'm amazed. 7, 8 o'clock tapos na. Here, it doesn't matter whether Chinese or non-Chinese event in the Philippines. 6 o'clock nakalagay. It will start at 7, 7:38. Then the speeches will take half hour, 1 hour, very long. Sila dun. I don't know, their government officials are precise, like how many minutes every person, and not too many long speeches.
Para balik efficiency na.
They're very efficient.